Hello guys, welcome back to another backyard special. What I'm doing right now is opening this new 40 series torque converter. Yeah, this 40 series torque converter, and I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys what's inside and what you get. And what you guys get is looks like this big ass shield for the belts or for the pulleys. I mean, I think from the 30 series it's probably half this size. I mean, look, it's almost as long as my arm. You guys can see that. It's pretty strong. And there's already holes already mounted. It's already cut right here. So that's nice. A lot of holes for the airflow. Not bad. And what we get is we get a belt. It's probably, I don't know, 3/4 maybe thick. Yeah. It's not all crunchy either. It's pretty, it's like brand new. Not like any old ones. So you get a belt. That's not bad. I think we had to put this box down because I don't think we have enough room. Put it right here. That's enough space. Oh, shit. So, get this. Oh, shit. This thing's freaking heavy. I mean, geez, look at the size of that shit. It's bigger than my arm. Bigger than my hand, look at that. And it's thick. You know, I thought it was gonna be like a little cheap metal type of thing. This probably is cheap metal, but I mean the holes for the guards, they're right here. They're already tapped. So that's cool. You don't use no bolts. It's just they're already tapped. And yeah, I can't believe how big this shit is. Alright, let's see. It's pretty cool. The holes are not drilled out for the other settings for the top, but it is on the default settings. It's in the middle. I saw a few people, they just drill them out. It's not really a big deal. I mean, it's just a little, you know, bzz, bzz. Change the spring, that's it, boom. But it's freaking heavy. Oh, jeez. I think the box just fell apart. So we got the bell housing. Gosh, this thing's so beefy. Like, fuck. Let me hold on. I'll give you guys a comparison. What else do we have in here? And we got the bolts. But let me see if I can find my other one. Let's see. A little comparison, right? So this was the 30 series that I had before, you know, and a little comparison, it went like that, right? Check out the difference. I mean, side by side, it's like 2 times bigger than what this is. It's ridiculous. I mean, that's the base plate right there. That's freaking huge. That's crazy how big it is. I hope this holds up to what I'm gonna be putting it through. And this is the back. I mean, come on. Look how big that shit is. It's ridiculous, man. I hope this fits. I'll put a link below where you could get these at. I mean, yeah, they're the, you know, the Chinese made or the whatever knockoff brand, but I think it's gonna work. I mean, if I was using the 30 series for like 2 years already, I had no problems. Yeah, the belts break here and there, but you know, it's time to upgrade. But for being, you know, $150 cheaper, you know, I think this is gonna do a lot better than what that was. I mean, that was only $60, so you know, and the belts do look better and they're bigger, so maybe I might not burn out belts as much. But yeah, I'm gonna check this out a little bit more, see if it fits. I don't know if it's gonna fit or not. And the welds don't even look that bad. I mean, yeah, they got kind of a little undercut and stuff, like underneath here and stuff. But you know, I don't really want it to look pretty. As long as it works and they're pretty solid, you know, it's not really complaining. I mean, I can't do any better than that anyway, so it's not really a big deal for me. Even if it breaks, like a tab or something, I'll just weld it up. I mean, you do pay what you get for, and I don't think this is too bad, honestly, for a little Rican warrior. So, you know, if you guys have any questions about it, if you guys have any issues, you know, hit me up. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And the next video I'm going to post is, I'm going to see if I can install this thing on the golf cart. And what I have in there is a 420cc with the stage 1 with the header. And let's see if we go take a little drive later. I don't know. See what happens. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.